Hey guys, it's Phil from Duplicate, your partners in print. We're here today with the Epson SureLab D1000 and we're looking at paper trimmings. Paper trimmings, these are the small bits that are trimmed off the lead of the print and also the rear of the print. On the old one, if you've got an older printer, the D700 or 800, you can see inside the paper trim tray. On the D1000, a bit more difficult to see because we have this paper catcher on the front. If you lift that up, you can then see where they are. Really, really important that you empty the trim tray. We have had instances where the trimmings have built up so much on this because print catcher hasn't been lifted. Print trimmings have come all the way to the top, jammed inside there, and then causes a big problem. Periodically, if you're doing big runs of prints, make sure that you empty the trim tray. If you're working in retail and you're printing every day, every morning when you come in or every evening, empty that trim tray into the bin. If you look after and remove the trimmings, you'll have problem-free printing.